Holy shit, guys. I think that Jesus is not on a good mood today. Oh my god. Holy moly. Darn. The world is shaking. Look at this hurricane. It's like going wild. I can see thunder, yeah. I can see literal thunder over here. Holy moly. It's blasting, dude. Oh. Yeah, I'm thinking that my town is gonna collapse. Bro. Oh my god, it's actually getting a lot strong. I was like getting ready for going to swimming lesson, but I don't know if it will stop. It looks like if it's about to like explode the city. Oh my god. You can hear how crazy it all is. This might be a long video. Don't mind this stupid. Oh wait, no. Okay. Oh wow, you can see the water. So yeah, it's definitely more clay from here. Here we have the, bruh. I don't know. Oh my god, you guys actually saw that? Oh, bro, I'm sure that thing I'm sure that you can see this. You can see that thing over there. I think that light struck over there. Oh wow. Darn, it's dropping. It be dropping. No. Oh. Jesus. Are you okay? I can try to recite the Bible if you don't feel okay. Holy moly. Yeah, I don't think he's getting any happier. Oh well, that's Mother Nature. I think that, you never know if actual God is actually real because nobody has came back from the dead to tell us. But maybe it's Mother Nature. Don't mind the background sounds. Oh wow, the glass is dirty. The lighting is striking. It's crazy out here. Dude. It's crazy out here. Like, I don't remember a crazier day. Oh my god. Hey Chad, is that light? Is that light?
Няма да ходиш на планина, Марти.
Мисля, че почва да минава.
Почва да. Толкова бе лятна буря, бе.
Няма да ходя.
То ще паднали дървета, клони, мокро, ще е ужас.
So yeah, my mom just said that I'm not going to swimming lesson because there will be a lot of fallen trees that will be wet as hell and it will be absolutely crazy. So, good for me. I mean, it's not good for me. I actually wanted to go there, though, but holy shit, and the light. The light is coming. Oh my god, I think the store is... Oh yeah, I can see some bright clouds. I can see the bright clouds. Oh my god, this tree is now orange. Wait. Our town's water supply is like very low. So, Jesus, thought about this town. The one town that is draining of water. Like, bro, every day, only 4 hours a day with water on. Like, all the other time, you can't have any water. Laundry, cleaning, anything, no. You can't have it. But I think that Jesus now fought for us. We are officially having millions of water now. Woohoo! So Nice blue building, huh, guys? My god, it's wet. It's really wet. That here is super. It's wet as fuck. No. No. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, yes. Can you guys see it? It's the blue sky. Oh my god, it's actually heating. I mean, healing though. You know what I mean. Okay, the water ain't stopping. That hurricane was unexpected, but it hit us. And now I guess that it's going to like the sea. Well, this was a pretty hurricane. Oh, you know what's pretty satisfying? How you can watch it like, woo, go down the flow. Alright guys, I think that the store is almost done. So, ciao! So yeah, see I'll try to work more on the THC squad, so, I don't know. Oh my god, light. Okay guys, I think that it's about to stop. It's gonna be crazy outside, won't it? Heh. Well, good job, God. That's a nice hit. I totally forgot that the town is out of water supply, so that's why God just randomly hit us. Well, sadly, I'm not going to swimming lesson. But okay, I think that the store's officially bye bye. The store's going bye bye. Yeah, I think its work here is done. Hope you guys love this construction building that they're doing. It's cool, right? There's some other cool building. Wow, the quality, bro. That's my phone look good. My phone look good. It's like if it's painted. Well, but over there is the panorama, as I call it. Okay, I think that they're done. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay, bye. Now I'm for you. Bye.